Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E20. This error can be frustrating when you're trying to launch Steam, but fortunately there are a few simple solutions that work for most users. Without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you'll want to try is adjusting your PC's time and date settings, as this has resolved the E20 error for many users. Start by right-clicking on the clock located in the bottom right corner of your Windows taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Adjust Date and Time. This will open your system's time settings where you can make the necessary changes. Once you're in the date and time settings, look for the option that says Set Time Automatically and make sure it's turned on. This ensures your system clock is always synchronized with internet time servers, which is important for Steam's authentication process. After enabling this, you'll see a button labeled Sync Now. Go ahead and click it to immediately synchronize your system time. Now try opening Steam to see if the error has been resolved. If Steam launches without any issues, then you're all set and the problem is fixed. However, if you're still seeing the E20 error, don't worry because there's another solution to try. Right-click on the Steam shortcut on your desktop, then select Properties from the menu. This will open a window with several tabs at the top. Click on the Compatibility tab to access Steam's compatibility settings. In this section, you'll see various options for running the program. Check the box beside Run this program as an administrator. This gives Steam the elevated permissions it needs to access certain system resources, which can often resolve authentication and connection errors like E20. After checking that box, it's important to click Apply first to save your changes and then click OK to close the window. This ensures your settings are properly saved before you attempt to launch Steam again. Close the Properties window completely, then double-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop to launch the application. In most cases, running Steam with administrator privileges will fix the E20 error and allow you to access your games and library without any further issues. If you're still experiencing the error after trying both of these methods, there's one final step you can take. Restart your PC completely to clear any temporary system conflicts, then open the Steam app once your computer boots back up. This fresh start often resolves lingering issues that the previous steps couldn't fix. And that's how you fix Steam error code E20. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.